Hey, welcome back, welcome back. So I'm just going to start off with my Maybelline Superstay Concealer with the Sacha Buttercup Powder to prep and prime my eyes. And today's eyeshadow palettes are the Zulu by Juvia and the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take the yellow from the Zulu palette and definitely going to start blending that into my eyes, upper crease, both. And the Box of Crayons has a yellow in it too, but I really like this one better. They're both really pigmented palettes, but still good. Taking that orange right now from the same Zulu palette and going in that crease. What I like to do is go back in with that same brush from the other eyeshadow so I can blend them like seamlessly. So I'm taking the red from the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette and going into my direct crease. Still going back with that orange from the Zulu palette to blend it seamlessly. I'm taking that same concealer from before and dabbing it on my eyelids just a little bit. And I'm taking that orange from the Box of Crayons palette and dabbing that right where that concealer is. So I took a little flat blending brush and added a little bit more red from the eyeshadow palette and just gonna blend that all together a little bit more. Also dabbing a little bit of the orange and the gold onto the eyelid, make it pop a little bit more. Okay, so I have an eyeliner from Jaunty Blue and I'm just gonna make my eyeliner really, really precise. And yes, this is really how long it takes me to do my eyeliner. And still using my favorite mascara, the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I'm gonna flutter out the eyelashes a little bit more. So this is a stick primer by Tresemme that I got from my Ipsy Glam bag. And shouts out to Jackie O for the Born This Way foundation. It is the most perfect coverage ever. With that same Maybelline Superstay Concealer, I'm just going to go under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my chin so we can highlight. So after all that highlighting, I'm going to take my NYX contouring stick, and one end has a highlighting part, which is concealer, and one has a contouring stick. So I'm just going to contour my nose, my jawline, my forehead, and I'm not sure, they're not necessarily cheeks, but hit cheekbones, and blend it. Okay, so I'm going to start setting my face at this point with the Sacha Buttercup powder under my eyes, nose, Cupid's bow, and chin, all in the highlighting areas. And you know we got to set that contour too with that True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiant. So go back in the areas where I contoured before and start setting. And I also have to define that nose contour real quick. So I have this beautiful Amazonian Clay blush by Tarte. And I'm just going to dust it over the apples of my cheeks and go back a little bit. So because the Box of Crayons palette is so versatile, I decided to use the gold and orange as a highlighter and just combine them together. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, so I went back under my eye to blend them together with the orange from the Zulu palette. I'm also going to take the red from the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette and blend that in too. I took a little bit of gold from the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use that as an eyeliner for under my eyes to make them pop a little bit more. But since it was so dusty, I had to go right back over it again and wipe off all that excess and do pretty much my whole under eyeliner again. Using the Maybelline Super Stay liquid lipstick in the color Protector, I'm going to just outline my lips with that. And right after that, I'm going to use the concealer part of my contouring stick, and I'm going to use that to make like a little ombre lip. Also using just regular lip gloss from the dollar store to make that just come all together. And there you guys have it. This has been a long overdue Riety video, but back again. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to like and comment and definitely share. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.